wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the eco-friendly Green Toys Blue is built with both your toddler and the planet Earth in mind. It features 15 tools made from recycled milk jugs and colored with non-toxic soy inks. They're also labeled to identify what they are. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and sturdy enough to last for years. However, it is hard to remove the nails from the caddy. At number 9, the Melissa and Doug Wooden Take-Along is a creative learning aid for preschoolers to let them explore how a hammer and wrench work while developing their fine motor skills. It comes with lots of smoothly sanded wooden pieces that can be connected in a variety of ways. It helps to promote color and shape recognition, and the handle makes it easy to grab and go. But it is too simple for older children. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Gifts to You for boys and girls not only incorporates an array of hand tools, but also boasts 19 construction panels and 50 screws that children can put together to form cars, windmills, tanks, or whatever they desire. It includes a knife with a retractable blade, and the disc on the sander actually spins. However, it won't stand up to rough use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Tool Sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, available in pink or blue, the rexbeti 0800 comprises 25 pieces that allow youngsters to help out on household DIY projects. They have short shafts for small hands, and each item is fully functional. It features 2 screwdrivers with magnetic tips, and they all have comfortable rubber handles, but the included tape measure isn't very durable. Moving up our list to number 6, the Fisher-Price Drillin action encourages creative playtime for kids interested in building. It comes with a power drill that has forward and reverse gears and interchangeable bits, and the included caddy is perfect for keeping everything organized and in one place. The toolbox has a ruler on it, and the drill boasts a long battery life. It also emits sound effects. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Toy Choi's Transformable has everything budding construction workers aged 3 and up need to get the job done, including a workbench that folds into a portable suitcase for travel. This comprehensive kit includes 83 pieces in total. It features goggles with shatterproof lenses and a drill that runs in forward and reverse. It's made from tough ABS plastic. At number 4, for little ones who want to tackle big tasks, the ibasetoy Realistic allows them to imitate chopping down trees like a lumberjack. The chainsaw rotates and mimics the sound of the real thing, while a light on the jigsaw flashes when the trigger is pulled. It includes a safety dust mask and ear defenders, and comes with an adjustable wrench, along with a belt to carry the hand tools. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, to ensure little workers stay organized, the hi-spec DIY provides a handy truck-shaped carrying chest with molded slots for each component. All the items can be used for actual building purposes, so children can mark up using the pencil and ruler before hammering away. It includes a fabric case, an apron with 3 pockets, and a 6-inch plastic level. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Tool Sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the DIY Junior Steel Forged features real child-size screwdrivers, pliers, and safety glasses. It's perfect for teaching kids to work with their hands, though note that it shouldn't be used without supervision. It's a high-quality construction that includes a bag for storage. It's suitable for ages 7 and up. And taking the top spot on our list, the 19-piece Kidzlane Durable can, as the name implies, stand up to plenty of abuse. It has everything little ones need to become a pretend mechanic or contractor, including a fully functional tape measure and a battery-powered drill that makes realistic sounds. It comes with a sturdy plastic carrying case, a pair of safety goggles, and the required batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Toolsets, or simply click beneath this video.